So, you've just bought a used car in Ontario and now it's time to get it registered in your name. The process might seem complicated, but if you prepare the right documents, it's actually pretty straightforward. First, you'll need a valid piece of ID. Most people use their driver's license, but if you don't have one, you can use another approved ID that shows your legal name, your date of birth, and your signature. Next is the Used Vehicle Information Package, or UVIP. This is required if you're registering a passenger car, light truck, motorcycle, or motorhome. The seller should provide it, and it includes details about the car's history, which helps protect you as the buyer. You'll also need proof of purchase. This could be a receipt from the seller or the bill of sale that comes with the UVIP. Make sure the seller's name and signature are there, along with yours, and the purchase price is clearly written. Insurance is another must-have. Before you can register, you'll need proof of coverage from an insurance provider that's licensed in Ontario. You can't get plates without insurance. You'll also need the vehicle permit. The seller should give you the original permit, and the transfer portion at the back has to be filled out. If you already own license plates you want to use, bring the plate portion of your old permit too. Otherwise, you can request new plates during registration. To make sure the car is safe to drive, most vehicles require a safety standard certificate. This isn't needed for things like trailers, mopeds, off-road vehicles or snowmobiles, but for regular cars, it's essential. Without it, you'll only be able to get a temporary permit until you provide the certificate. And finally, if you're registering a pickup truck with a trailer that has a gross weight over 4,500 kilograms for personal use, you may need an extra inspection declaration form. This doesn't apply to most drivers, but it's worth knowing in case your vehicle falls into that category. Once you've gathered all these documents, you can head over to a Service Ontario centre. They'll process the registration, give you a new permit in your name, and issue plates if you need them. To save yourself time, make sure everything is filled out correctly and keep copies of your bill of sale and insurance handy just in case.